Welcome to China Aviation News. Here is Campus. I'm Tian Ye. First, let's look at the news of the week. On April 15th, UTC Aerospace Systems and AVIC Electromechanical Systems announced in Xi'an High-Tech Industrial Development Zone that the plant of their co-established company was officially put into use. Named as Xi'an AVIC Hamilton Sumstern Aviation Electric Company, the joint venture aims at developing and manufacturing power systems for C919 passenger plane of Comac. According to the information, located at Xi'an Export Processing Zone, the newly established plant takes an area of nearly 6,500 square meters, which has been built in compliance with LEED certification of U.S. Green Building Council and passed FM approvals. AC-311 helicopter will soon conduct certification flight test organized by Civil Aviation Administration of China and expected to get its type certificate within this April. And in this June, AVIC helicopter will deliver the first AC-311 to its user, Beijing Hangxiang Advertising Company. Until now, AVIC helicopter has got confirmed orders of 10 AC-311s with 2 orders by foreign customers. Aviation 2014 closed on April 17th with a large number of Asian exhibitors than the year 2012. This year, 33 Asian exhibitors attend the exhibition, a yearly growth of 92% compared to 38 in 2012. The number of international standard booths achieved 333, a yearly growth of 41% compared to 236 in 2012. 38 aircraft joined static display, a yearly growth of 41%, considering the number of 27 in 2012. And the most important is that piston aircraft attended the display for the very first time, which made participants have a good view of a whole series of business planes, including piston aircraft, intercontinental jets, and helicopters. Recently, Aviation, Vice President of Rotating Part of Rolls-Royce, visited AVIC Xi'an Aero Engine with 2 parties, entering into in-depth discussion about further enhancing communication and strengthening cooperation. On April 11th, Hewlett-Packard General Aviation Company Limited got business certificate issued by the North China Authorization of Civil Aviation Administration of China, which paves the way for the company to pass approval of the operational eligibility and go into operation in this May. On April 15th, Mingsheng Financial Leasing held signing ceremony for Gulfstream Aerospace and Bombardier Aerospace, relatively for the purchase of 60 Gulfstream aircraft and 10 Challenger 350s. On April 4th, AVIC delivered a Y-12-4 to Hingan League, Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. AVIC Huayan successfully delivered a new electric aircraft clock, which realized the upgrade of traditional mechanical aircraft clock to electric clock. Henan Airport Group issued environmental impact assessment of the overall planning of Zhengzhou Xinzhen International Airport. This time, the planning period will last from 2015 to 2045. In the future, the airport will not only have 4 terminals and 5 runways, but also achieve the annual passenger throughput of 40 million and annual cargo throughput of 3 million tons, which can create 280,000 jobs. On April 16th, on flight CA4116 of Air China from Beijing to Chengdu, a nail-to-ground video conference by applying the internet connection on the plane marked another milestone of China's internet services on board. Through the internet connection on board, Fan Chen, Party Secretary of Air China, Flight CA4109 from Chengdu to Beijing and airlines operation control centers in Beijing and Chengdu held a four-party real-time video conference. During the whole process, the clear image, voice, and smooth transmission made the experience similar to daily broadband internet access. On April 14th, Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, President of China, and Chairman of the Central Military Commission, inspected the Air Force Command headquarters with focusing on Air Force construction and military struggle preparation. During the visit, President Xi gave sincere regards to all officials and soldiers on behalf of the party's Central Committee and the Central Military Commission and said modernization and regularization in the Air Force should be accelerated to build a stronger military to provide strong support for the pursuit of the Chinese dream.